Let's go!
Hi, I'm Bree and I'm the Director of Curriculum at Kodable. This short video is going to introduce you to the concept you'll be teaching in this unit. Thanks for watching! In programming, loops are important to learn and understand how to use to be able to create programs that can do a lot of different things. Loops are a programming element that repeat a portion of code a set number of times until a desired process is complete. Repetitive tasks are very common in programming, and learning loops is essential to save time and minimize errors. Let's think about our peanut butter and jelly sandwich example again. We talked about how important it is to order the steps correctly to make one peanut butter and jelly sandwich. But what if we needed to make 500 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for a school field trip or something? We would likely prefer to just do it once and have the steps automatically repeated 500 times to make 500 sandwiches. In Kodable's on-screen independent practice lessons, students will identify where the code repeats and practice applying a set number of loops. In this example level, the same set of commands are used 3 times in a row. Down, right, down, right, down, right. Instead of writing these commands 3 times, we use a loop and only have to write it once. If we were writing our peanut butter and jelly sandwich instructions in code, it would likely be hundreds of lines long. Loops allow programmers to shorten what could be hundreds of lines of code to just a few. This allows programmers to write their code once and use it as many times as needed, making it more likely for the program to run as expected. Loops make code more manageable and organized. As we learn more about programming and writing complex programs, loops will be an important element to understand and use.